Safaricom Foundation ni hulite jeki mutaratara wa Ndoto Zetu uruguria-ini wa ikereka ria mugwanja makiongerera milioni 100 hari kimanjika kia milioni 500 kuma mutaratara-ini uyu kwambiriria mwaka wa 2019. Muoroto munene wa mutaratara uyu wa Ndoto Zetu ugitanywo guteithia makiria ma Kenya milioni 1 kuhitukira mutaratara wa githomo, ugima wa mwiri na kuhura aria matari na uhoti jeki niguo mahote kwiyandandura kimuturire kaunti-ini ciothe 47.
We started it in 2019. It is a community-based project where we ask community to apply to Safaricom Foundation with a project that will benefit their own local community in their own local area, in areas in education, in economic empowerment, but also in health. Over the years, in the 6 seasons, we have spent $500 million Kenya shillings, so 500 million.
Safaricom Ndoto Zetu ni real na imetusaidia sisi kama wamama na inatusaidia pia sisi kuelimisha vijana katika community yetu.
Hindi ya uruguria wa ikereka riri kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu, Safaricom Foundation niraheanire indo cia mwanya ta macini cia gutuma nguo na indo ingi iria guteithiriria kugaciriria mathomo mathukuru-ini ma kothi cia moko.
Kama kikundi tuliapply mambo ya tailoring as a group, alafu tunashukuru Safaricom Foundation. Hizo vitu tuliapply tailoring machine, sewing machine, alafu za vitambaa, alafu na ya sweater. Tuliletewa charani 4 na Safaricom Foundation.
We have actually completed or funded 1,800 projects over that period. This year, season 7, we are now launching another 100 million for this year. We are inviting applications from now that now it's official. You can go to a Safaricom Foundation and then you'll see Ndoto Zetu. You apply online, and if you are not able to apply online, you can also visit one of our shops. And actually there'll be an application form that you can be given.
Kuma mutaratara uyu wa Ndoto Zetu arugurio tafarira makiria ma 1,820 ni irekireirie ndeto iri koretwo iri uteithio munene kuri makiria ma andu milioni 3 kaunti ciothe 47.